Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about integration of various emerging technologies and how those technologies will help you to achieve Industry 4, Pharma 4 standards now. So let's see what are those different technologies which are there. What Industry 4 is expecting is that you should have a complete end-to-end seamless data which is available for better decision making, which will offer better services to the customers, which will also have a connectivity about the data analysis, and finally the profitability, the productivity, everywhere that needs to be improved actually. And most important thing, since we are doing a lot of work in the pharma or regulatory industry, the customers must get a right product, right quality, which is what is more important. So normally, as you know, we all discussed about the three areas about customer centricity, and then how that this products or smart manufacturing can support to those customers' requirement, and how that will go to the next level of digitization or a digital supply chain. Now, customer centricity is becoming more and more challenging, and as you know, in a present uncertain economy and pandemic situation, and even the war, working out the customer's requirement is really becoming the most important challenge, because that is the starting point of your business. Your entire supply chain is based on to that data, and more accurate information will help you to have your best profitability. As the demand is also changing, your system should be such that those changes should be adopted and supported to the customer requirement in the shortest possible time. Now, how you will get all that inputs? So the technologies are available. So the first one is social media. Today, a lot of customers' decision making of procurement or buying any particular product or a brand or services is depending upon the social media. They will always look out it and search it out, the plus minus points about that particular product and the services, and then they will make their own decisions. To improve your presence in the social media, you need intelligent marketing. This intelligent marketing will create an impact or a focus onto the customer's mind, why they should really go in for using that particular product or a service. The next one is that you should have a support network or an ecosystem, that if I want to buy a particular product or a service, I should have an access to the required information, maybe on a social network, or maybe sometimes I should be able to go and see the product and handle it, like maybe automobiles or maybe your mobiles or maybe your TV. So you should have some support network where you can go and have a look at it. So your market support network should be there. And then finally, the demand sensing and forecasting. Based on to the market data, it should really do the analysis, or the big data is getting generated. Analytics algorithm should be there, which can really go and give you the demand sensing, like what will be the demand in the next week, next month, or maybe next quarter, or something like that. And that should be in a real-time basis. So the most important thing why I'm focusing on to customer centricity is this is what it is going to drive the industry 4 requirements, and you should have a good technologies should be used to do all that. The next is the product and to services to support to customers requirement. Like you already now know, okay, this is a particular product and the services are required. So you should really look at it and think about it. Okay, what are those uniqueness, what you have into your product and services, how you are going to support to that. If there is the agile requirement, so the flexibility is into customers' demand and customer satisfaction, how you are going to support to that. No? Your sales and operation planning or your manufacturing systems or your quality systems, they should be flexible enough to support to that actually. And that is where it comes to the smart technology, or we talk about the smart manufacturing adoption. Your good manufacturing execution system where you are even process parameters data, because they are very critical to support to your product quality and all they are available. And that leads to your business excellence, actually, operational excellence and business excellence. And that will lead to digitization or a digital supply chain. When we look at it, all these things and think about integrating it end to end, integrating business planning, what I've used the word over there. Integrated business planning is not just a manufacturing or not just a distribution, but it also talks about or gets integrated with your financials also. Because finally, every business has to support strongly with a financials result. So end-to-end integrated business planning is required. Intelligent procurement, looking at it, the supplier's performance and its reliability, its quality, its support, all those are to be considered. You can develop your algorithms to work onto that. Smart manufacturing systems, I've discussed it earlier. And today, quality 4 is also becoming a very important thing. When we discuss about the industry 4, quality plays a very important role. Logistic 4, distribution, logistic planning, your route planning is very important. Your warehouse management system, adoption of robotics like things for repetitive jobs is a more important thing. And finally, that this should support the documentation required from the regulatory. So hope in a short period, I've been able to brief you the concepts about the industry and how emerging technologies can get adopted and will help you to achieve the industry 4 requirement. Feel free to contact us if you need more inputs. Actually, we're always available. Our contact details are there. Subscribe our channel so that more inputs will be available to you. Thank you.